Did you all know that Sami had a little bit of a crush?
Bro, you mad?
So,
टूटा हुआ
for the city.
नाराज हूँ मैं.
Okay, anyway. So, are you born gay? I got you a little bit of a picture. So,
Did.
you know we have pathetic taste in men. I feel deserted and isolated in life, guys.
Business news kadak like chai.
With every sip, there's a new untold story.
You're watching Corporate Chai, and I'm Sanvi.
I'm Hania.
You didn't have to say it like tuk like that.
Oh, sorry. I'm Sanvi.
You're not Sanvi, brother.
Who will know? No one will know. I'm Sanvi.
I'm Hania, and so if you notice, something is very different. Not something, a lot of things are very different. Like we have new equipment, new background. Ooh, okay, so we have a new segment. That's why we're in a very informal background. It's called.
It's called
I want it to be called chai tea break, but Hania wants it to be called.
Chai Tuta because tea break.
And like, we're having a lot of creative differences on this because chai tuta doesn't really sound appealing, does it?
Chai tuta hua.
Bro, we sing that too much on our thing. Even in college, also we keep singing tuta hua. And okay, wait. So the whole objective of this was to keep it like very informal, like. Basically, it's just an excuse
We didn't write
for
a
us.
script,
Yeah,
guys.
it's just an excuse for us because we didn't write a script, but we have time to like sit and film. Yeah, and we're in the most beloved place of every Mount Carmelite, deserted.
I feel deserted and isolated in life, guys.
Toota hua.
Oh, you know what happened? I fell down after 2 years. And since I fell down after 2 years, when I said my hand was hurting, and I was like, oh my god, it's paining, Tachi got me bandages. Tanvi did.
Yeah, I feel like rather than the educational part of the video, we do the like the informal part of the video, and I feel like that's what entertains people more. So I thought we would film one like very informal video, nothing very unscripted. I told
Oh,
Prachi buy
by the
one
way,
biscuit and come.
guys, Sanvi got these mics from Prime Day sale and it's only for 800.
Yeah, you don't have to tell price. We could have told them it was 3K.
Oh, yeah, guys, it's actually 3K, but
I paid 3K also
yeah,
actually. My mom paid 3K for it. Oh shit.
should not lie like that, Sanvi.
How will they know? And everything that comes out of my mouth is either a lie or I'm just saying it for funsies. I'm very unserious like that. Oh my god. Also, guys, story time. So yesterday we went for like an event at this one school. Uh, and then one of our event people, they were like, oh my god, I've seen you on corporate chai. Let me give you a corporate chai discount. And then he gave us like a 5 rupees discount. And then there's so many other people from our event. They were like, I've seen your reels, and then people who are coming up to us in the fest and then saying that I've seen you guys. You guys are so you funny and all that. I'm like, I know, I'm the
Guys,
funny
these
one.
biscuits taste
Tastes
so
so bad.
bad.
That's why we're putting it in the tea so that we cannot taste it.
What the hell? How much is this? 25 per biscuit. It's 25 per biscuit. Oh, do you know that Sunny always finishes my water in class?
I don't get a water bottle. I don't know. I have to really work on that very bad habit of about myself. I never bring water bottle. But that's a very good conversation starter. That's how I spoke to Hanya. Okay, let's talk about first impressions. I met Hanya first PUC, first day. I remember they were asking us who got 90 plus and all, okay? And I was really proud of my marks because, like, I mean, it's 90 plus, guys. So then I raised my hand, and then I'm seeing nobody else raise a hand. And then Hanya was like very vocal in class. And I was like, this girl didn't get 90 plus, sir. And then I was like so doubtful. And then later I found out Hanya is just very humble like that.
Guys, I didn't want to lose aura after raising my hand in class.
So are you telling that I lost aura?
Sunny, no one else raised their hand, Sunny.
No? Are you? Oh, yeah, bro. No one else raised their hand.
A lot of people probably got it, but no one raised their hand.
Bro, later when I asked, so many people said, yeah, I got above 90. It was so embarrassing because I was the only one raising my hand.
I don't remember the time actually. She just said that no one raised their hand, so I'm assuming. I don't
No,
remember.
nobody
They asked
really.
her.
I was raised my hand and I looked around the class. I was like, wow, am I the smartest one in the class? I wasn't. My first impression was of Hadia was that she was very first thing uptight that came to my mind. She was very uptight, and I felt like she would be very I don't know how to put this in like I don't know how to say this lightly, but she would be a B word.
B-word.
I
Nah,
don't
bro.
cuss, so B word is very common, huh?
I feel like that's like a part of my personality. I wanted to portray it to people that I was
A B word.
not approachable.
Nah, bro. Oh, tell that first day ka story with you and Dhriti.
See. So basically, when it comes to individually, when I'm talking to people, then I make sure that I have a very personalized experience with them. I will make sure to hold their hand and talk to them. But like when
Only
it,
girls.
yeah, only girls, guys. No, like what the hell? People are so first thing. Oh yeah, my friend. I'm glitching so
Yeah,
much.
bro. I got 4 seconds of wait. Huh? Huh? Huh?
No, because so many things came at once. To begin with, as someone told me that we have lesbian allegations.
I was
Guys,
so
just so
offended.
you know, we have pathetic taste in men,
Yeah,
but we do
exactly.
have taste in men and only in men.
Yeah.
I don't know about Sani, but oh yeah. So when I'm talking to people, like if I approached Prachi, I would be very friendly with her. But like if I'm sitting in a room filled with people, I would want to look like the unapproachable one. Like
She does look like the unapproachable one. She looks very like.
no, I get pissed very often, and I get pissed. Like if I get pissed, you can see it on my. Like I'm a very expressive person. Wait. So what happened was I was walking and I was coming, and then I didn't know where the classes are obviously. So this girl, she, this one,
Bro, she's literally like till here for me,
she's
and I'm
very
a
cute,
pretty
bro.
tall girl, so like that is very.
She's very cute, guys. By the way, she didn't have to add in that she's 6'2", but like Sani, you can keep that hidden. No one needs to know that you're 6'2".
Mm.
I was like, she asked the teacher, where's tick, 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 class?
Our
Okay.
our class.
Yeah,
Huh?
our class. And I heard about it and I'm like, oh shit, she's in the same class. And then the teacher told her the number, but I couldn't hear it. So I just held her hand. And she
Bro,
just
she
looked.
literally imagine this is the first. Okay, you finish the story, then I'll.
Yeah, so she was just standing there and her hand, okay, her hand is like this. Imagine that it's down, okay. I just held her hand like this and I just walked and she looked at me and I was like, yeah, I'm in the same class. I don't know which number the class is, like room number it is.
Bro, okay, are you done?
Yeah, and then we just walked to class and she was like my first friend in college.
Okay, now tell your first impression of it.
My first impression of Sani, okay, so crazy, okay. You know how
Be
in
like
movies,
dead honest.
I'll be dead honest. I can't, but like it's okay. We'll try to be that honest.
We'll try to sugarcoat it just a little bit.
Little bits, because I feel like after that you're going to think that I'm a bad person. So we were like, we came into class, and guess what? You know how in movies the two rivals sit on the two opposite ends of the class. No, we came, and the only seat left for me was like at the back, like towards the end, not the last seat, like the last second seat. And these classes are long, okay, and they're only 1, 2, 3 rows, and they're very long classes, and they're like 80 students in a class. So over here, this is the only seat left, and I was late because my van man, he's always late. So he drives like he's in Fast and Furious. So we came and then we sat at the back and I looked toward my left. I mean, I didn't look towards the left initially, right? I was looking towards the girl sitting next to me and I made friends with a few other girls. One of their names was also Sandy only. And then we were talking and all of that, and all of that happened. And then the teacher was there, they asked to introduce yourself. And then Sani was sitting on this side and I'm sitting on this side.
So like two exact opposites of the class.
Yeah, and I can see her look at me with like these glaring eyes. So I look back at her and we just shared glances for a bit. I got a little bit of a picture.
It's okay, guys. I've gotten that so much.
But she's not a pick me, guys, not at all. But like at the time, initially it looked like she's back, Prachi's back, guys. So initially it looked like she was a little bit of like, pick me, choose me. Nah, bro, but she's not like that. But then initially it just felt like that, and then apart from that, I could tell that she thought I was like a rival person. Like,
She was my main rival. I like in my head, okay. So I prepared myself on the first day of college, being like, I have to outshine in my class because see what mindset I had was everyone's the same right now because everyone's on the same level, right? It's everyone's first day. There's no USP to set yourself apart. So I thought I have to set myself apart. And then whenever I kept speaking, Anya had a different opinion than my like a different opinion. And then I kept trying to justify myself, and Hanya just kept like shooting me down. And then I was like, this girl, she's my main rival. I need to take away the main character of like my class, and then Hania was going on taking it away from me.
So I could sense the feeling, but like if I have to be honest, I like arguing with people. Okay, it's just like funny to do, not with like random people. So that was basically my first impression of Sanvi, and I knew that she also wanted to be main character, so I could feel the energy, but. As I got to know Sanvi, okay, I'll tell you the next story. Okay, since we started with the water bottle, I'll come to the water bottle story.
Oh yeah.
She asked for water apparently. Now you can say the story.
Yeah.
Because like I
Oh
don't
my
know
god.
this part. I
This is
didn't
why I
know this
thought she
guy.
was a B word. Okay. So basically, this is the bench, and then it's Hania, Jia, and I don't know where Dia was, but really both of you were there. And then Hania is like, her back is facing me, so I'm coming there from there. I'm like, excuse me, I knew her name, bro, obviously, because she's my main rival. Obviously, you're gonna know her name. So then I'm like, excuse me, can I please have some water? And then she does this. Okay, this is Hania's bottle. Not really, but yeah, this is Hania's bottle. And then she's like, I'm like, bro, this girl, she didn't even turn to look at me. And then she's
I
like,
don't remember doing that.
I was like, bro, what the hell?
Was I talking to someone else?
No, you were literally sitting there and listening to the other Sadhvi talk. And then after that, what happened? She was like, I was like, bro, this girl, so much cock she has. I didn't even drink her water. I took it, I pretended like I just opened it, I did this, I closed it and put it back. And then as soon as I like went to the to come talk to you, Jia was like, and I was like, bro, this girl is so sweet. And then I waved. That is my first impression of Jia.
Nah, man. But like usually I'm not like that. Okay, I don't remember doing like that bad stuff and all. I'm very
bad stuff.
yeah, I'm very good like that. Okay. Anyways, that was Sanvi and I.
Yeah, that was how we
That's
met.
it. And like after that, I I was actually a little pissed that they called Sanvi into the group and I didn't want her in the group.
Yeah, she and Dia both did not want me in the group, bro.
Yeah.
Gia was the only one who wanted because we both watch F1.
But like I didn't have I didn't verbally put it out there or anything. It was just in my head. I was like, you don't want intruders in your group.
I'll tell you, she didn't verbally put, but it was very obvious. One bench will be here. I'll be sitting here. And then Hania will come first, and then she'll make Gia and Dia sit, and then she'll sit. So on purpose, she'll not sit next to me. I was like, okay, bro, and you didn't have to say
I
that.
sit next to her now, guys.
Yeah, now she has to.
I better go sanitize myself. It's not nice, guys. If I were you or I were Sanvi, I would not have it, bro.
I have to have it because I paid for it.
Yeah, Sanvi paid for it.
My mom has taught me the value of money.
After the fact that my parents aren't ready to change my phone, I think they're also teaching me the value of money.
Guys, can we please show your phone,
No,
Hania?
please.
Please.
Tell her the real story.
Okay, guys, fine. I'll tell you all the backstory.
The
So,
back cover ka backstory. Okay, guys. For visual representation, this is Hania's phone case. She's not in her mid 40s, but still she has a water phone case.
guys,
which
that's
has
a
yellowed on
very
the sides.
sweet. It's a very sweet gift that my friend gave me back in ninth grade. So in sixth grade, my dad had asked me to do some work, and I finished the work. Okay? It was like a part of his work. So I helped him out with it.
4 times she said the word work, bro.
Shut up. So I helped him do it, and then he got so impressed. He was like, Hania, I'll get you a new phone. So I got a brand new phone in the beginning of, so it was like fifth grade summer holidays before sixth. And I was one of the very few people in my class who had a phone of my own, which was not a hand me down. And I was very excited about it, and I had that phone for a very long time. So as soon as I got the phone, I stopped helping him out. And I was being very addicted to my phone.
Oh, thanks.
It's so sweet.
Uh.
Okay. So I had it for a very long time. But like actually the point of him getting it was like a sign of like acknowledgement or like gratitude, like
Motivation.
yeah, he was like, oh correct, that's the right word. Of motivating me to like, do more stuff that was productive. Okay. And I didn't do that after that, so he got very pissed. But later on in ninth grade, I had a big necessity of getting a phone. So they actually ended up getting me a phone. But that this is the phone they got me. And after that, they're not ready to get me another phone because post ninth grade, I've been even more addicted to my phone. So their concept
Can we see
is,
Hania's screen time?
no, let me finish.
Okay, huh.
So the idea of it is that if they get me a new phone, they think I'm going to sit on the phone for longer. So they just don't allow me to use my phone as often, or get me a new phone for a matter of fact, which is very unfair. So I don't have a new phone. That's the story of why I don't have a new phone.
Where's your screen time?
That's an Android girl.
One
Yeah,
house.
wait. Let me show you all guys. Sunny accusing me of my time. Today I used my phone. Okay, today is like
10 minutes only.
today I used it for 10 minutes. Yesterday I used it for 20 minutes.
That's because we had an
Wednesday I
event.
used it for 2 hours 26 minutes, which was my highest.
In this week only. Okay, wait. No, well, let's get back to the phone cover ka story. Yeah. And then after that, look at this. She's not a 40-year-old auntie. Wait, guys, you saw this phone case, right? Look how pretty the phone color is. What is this, Chitta bro? Ah, so nice. What is that? Looks so pretty, her phone. She's giving this auntie ass phone case. And then our teacher also noticed. She felt bad for Hanya saying, I will buy you new phone case, Hanya, please tell.
Oh, can I tell her that? Can I tell her that story?
Story.
That story. That one. Read my lips.
No, are you mad? We're not telling about that.
Please, please.
No. Let's talk about cats in general.
Yeah. So
Hanya is
cats.
the biggest cat lover. She's the Taylor Swift of cats.
I can't tell if Sunny is using that as a compliment or insult. Because like she doesn't like
Guys,
Taylor Swift.
doesn't Hanya look like she listens to Taylor Swift? And I'll put a Taylor Swift background music in that. That is not a Taylor Swift song. Imagine Taylor Swift with a pagdi and she's going ting 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 ting.
Crazy put on a piece of it.
Uh, okay, so this is the first time we got recognized by someone. Okay, so then this is like first few. I think we were on the second episode or third episode or something. And then what happened? Like we were at that time I'd gone down to eat dahi puri. And then later, like I took one dahi puri and I put it in my mouth and I put the the last dahi puri. You're saving it because it has full dahi in it. It's like so full like that it is. So then I was like, finally I get to eat the best puri out of everything. I take it, I put it in my mouth, and I'm just like. I bite into it and it's already kind of soggy because it's been there and it's like so nice. And then this very pretty first year comes up to me. Hey, I've seen you somewhere. I'm like, are you? But I thought like maybe because I was running for president for some time. And then I thought maybe she's like seen me over there and like like I went to her class for campaigning or something, and then she's like, I've seen your videos. And then later I'm like, videos, and then it didn't I didn't realize it then. Okay, and then I thought only like our friend group are following, or people who know me or Hanya are following us, because this was like in the initial stages. And then later what happened, she comes up to us saying that I've seen you somewhere, and I look like this. I look so bad because like my hair is tied up, and then I'm like with the puri in my mouth. Later, I'm like, oh yeah, thanks. And then later she like turns around, and then I'm like, see, this is Hanya. And Hanya's with her glasses or messed up hair, and she like with a low ponytail. And then she like, and then that girl is like, I love your videos so much. And I'm like, thanks. And then we felt so special. And then I go home and tell my mom. She like, see, Sadhvi, you became so famous now. I'm so happy and all that. So then after that, we wanted to go to Commercial Street together and shop, okay? And Hanya's outfit was so pretty.
Yeah.
It was like a white color skirt with a
Yeah,
yellow
no,
kurti.
I looked homeless, but
No, when she had like a bun and like rich auntie glasses and all. Do we have a picture? No, we have a vlog, like a video. We forgot to do 3, 2, 1. Okay, we made a sign, okay? If we do this, that means bargain mode. We'd be like, chod do, no. That time it means bargain mode. But then if Anya does this, it means stop bargaining.
No, no,
So
it's
imagine. So imagine we're at the shop, we're bargaining. That guy's like, madam, fixed price. We're going. He's like, madam, fixed price. Hanya would be like, that was a signal she made up.
okay. So we had to, if we pretend like we don't want means we'll try to like put it for a lesser price. So we like means we continue to bargain. But then if we do like small sign like this, not like it's just like we're going. Because I kept staring at her and she didn't understand what I was saying. I was like, she didn't understand me, bro.
And we went like a whole day shopping. We bought so many things. And then after that, we went like to a place near Commercial Street and we ate food. And then we just sat and started like vlogging, like whatever we bought and all that stuff.
And
I'm
like,
not whitewashed, yeah. You're the white person here.
that was a bad joke, guys.
That wasn't. She's actually really white. I think the lighting won't capture Hanya's whiteness. Like she goes into a dark room and everything lights up.
Nah, bro. Don't.
You know, dying person, they don't see the light, they see Hanya.
Why are we talking
Yeah,
about
exactly.
this?
No,
What the
it
hell?
doesn't matter what your skin color is. We love you so much.
Except Dia. We won't tell what Dia's color is. She's actually pink.
Yeah. Now we have to stop the video at some point of time, right? It's not like we have run out of stories, but stay tuned for the next tea break episode. It's going to be called tea break.
Guys, it's gonna happen more often because we are too lazy.
No,
Why?
it'll happen once in a blue moon, which is next episode. No, I'm joking. I'll prepare a script.
Dinga, dinga, dinga. Okay, guys. So to conclude this video, I would like to say that sometimes, somewhere in your life, you might feel very alone. Always know that there's that ghost next to you in your bedroom who's always going to scare you, but you're never going to get scared because you should never fear anything in life. The only fear you should have is God.
Anyways, so if you're ever feeling lonely, reach out to the corporate account. Hanya will DM you.
If you're under the age of 13, yes. If you're over that, no.
Yeah, we are very serious about age limits.
Yes, yes.
13 is the highest we go. Anyways,
Okay, guys, with that, we end our video. Since we've spoken about
too many things. Okay, we are unmiking ourselves and we
see
are
y'all
signing
later,
out.
alligator. Let's switch mics.
What do you want to say?
Sanvi, at the end of the day,
It's you and I.
it's always gonna be the night. What the hell?
What? That's a quote? I was going to say at the end of the day, it's you and I together with corporate chai.
At the
And
end of the day,
we are never beating the gay allegation.